Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. With nutrition at the forefront of keeping our troops fueled, it's a small miracle how culinary chefs in the kitchen's galley can keep up with making thousands of meals per day.
Most of y'all got about what, two or three high fives? Look at this, copper. Enough food to cook for about 5,000 people. Ching-ching. Then when you know what I'm saying, we cooking and cooking. Then we coming over here, the tilt skillet. We cook steaks, vegetables, steam it, do whatever you want to it, you know what I'm saying? Because we got it. We're bigger than y'all think over here.
Take a look at the daily life of Navy chefs cooking thousands of meals inside a $13 billion aircraft carrier. Step aboard the USS Carl Vinson, or CVN-70. Where culinary specialist, First Class Andrew DeMarsico orchestrates a culinary symphony to nourish the floating city's 5,000-strong crew. In this tasteful exploration, mass communication specialist Chief Russ Tafuri guides us through the intricacies of life in the carrier's galley.
So today we have the roast burger, I like to call it. I got a roast here that we actually slow roasted at 225 for about 19 hours. I choose to use the standard burgers that we have on board, just for the fact that I want to show these guys that you could take
regular everyday ingredients
and turn it into something great.
Yeah, absolutely.
DeMarsico and his team face the challenge of preparing thousands of meals daily and adapting menus to cater to diverse tastes.
This 5-star burger, I don't know if you realize where I am right now. I'm in a galley on a ship. I'm about to eat this.
Embark on a culinary journey with the unsung heroes of the USS Harry S. Truman, or CVN-75, as they prepare for special events like Christmas. On this sentimental day, sailors gather on the mess decks, enveloped in the festive spirit. With the aircraft carrier moored at Naval Station Norfolk for maintenance and training, culinary specialists diligently craft a holiday feast. Meanwhile, aboard the USS Nimitz, the ship gathers for a unique holiday celebration.
Today we're having a Christmas dinner with our Nimitz family and our families who came on board today. We're all enjoying a feast. We're just enjoying each other on our Christmas day.
These moments not only underscore the resilience and camaraderie of naval personnel, but also highlight the vital role of dedicated chefs in bringing a touch of home to the high seas during special occasions. Venture into the heart of the Arabian Gulf, where the aircraft carrier USS Carl Vinson, or CVN-70, transforms its mess decks into a Thanksgiving haven. In this innovative narrative, witness the ship's leadership serving over 2.5 tons of turkey with precision and gratitude. As the vessel navigates the U.S. Fifth Fleet area, supporting Operation Inherent Resolve, sailors and Marines savor a traditional feast, a comforting reminder of home amidst a critical mission. The culinary team orchestrates a colossal effort, showcasing the dedication required to bring a slice of Americana to those stationed far from their families during the heartfelt holiday. Life aboard the USS George Washington unfolds with a stark duality. While fortunate sailors embrace liberty in port, a dedicated crew tackles the formidable task of resupplying the colossal aircraft carrier.
We may get, like today, 41 pallets of food. There's supposed to be 10 pallets of general stores, the ship store, for what we can actually buy, goodies, drinks, water, snacks.
At the same time, the bustling scene captures the intricacies of loading supplies, revealing a meticulous and time-consuming process. Far from a quick day of work, it underscores the unseen efforts that sustain the floating city. Showcasing the relentless commitment of those ensuring the USS George Washington remains operational and ready for its next mission. Dive into the bustling eating area of the Nimitz-class aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln, or CVN-72, another multi-billion-dollar vessel. Sailors navigating a balanced deployment diet carefully select from a spectrum of healthy food choices. This vivid snapshot, captured by mass communications specialist Second Class Louise Lee, encapsulates the intersection of nourishment, resilience, and the unwavering commitment of those who serve on this floating bastion of strength. Even amidst the vastness of the sea, there are the legendary eating contests that occasionally take place in the galley. Laughter, cheers, and friendly competition fill the air as participants test their stomach's limits. All aboard the unexpected luxury on the USS Carl Vinson, where a floating piece of home emerges with the introduction of a Starbucks store.
Something to look forward to every day.
In this one-of-a-kind adventure, witness the innovative collaboration as Starbucks representatives come on the aircraft carrier to train Navy personnel as baristas. The ship's coffee house, adorned with 7 Starbucks coffee drink options, becomes a respite for sailors at sea.
This is benefiting sailors by giving them the hometown feeling, I guess. Starbucks you usually don't find on ships, especially warships.
Amidst the structured routines of naval life, this onboard Starbucks stands as a testament to the Navy's commitment to enhancing the well-being and morale of its crew, providing a comforting taste of familiarity in the vastness of the open ocean. In a rare glimpse into daily life aboard the USS George H.W. Bush, or CVN-77, sailors engage in a routine yet essential task: grocery shopping at the ship's store. This extraordinary scene unfolds against the backdrop of the aircraft carrier's deployment in the U.S. Fifth Fleet area, which plays a crucial role in maritime security operations. Petty Officer, 3rd Class Dustin Good's production reveals the meticulous process of procuring supplies amidst the strategic missions of Operations Enduring Freedom and New Dawn, showcasing the seamless integration of everyday tasks within the larger context of naval operations at sea. Descend into the depths of the USS Oklahoma City, or SSN 723, a Los Angeles-class fast attack submarine, where sailors navigate the challenges of culinary operations during routine underway missions. In this powerful portrayal, the submerged vessel becomes a self-contained world. The USS Oklahoma City emerges as a silent yet dynamic force beneath the surface of the open sea. In the annals of naval innovation, the Pre-Commissioning Unit South Dakota, or SSN 790, stands as the 17th Virginia-class fast attack submarine and a notable 7th in the Block 3 construction series. In addition, imagine the confined world of the Pre-Commissioning Unit South Dakota, a Virginia-class submarine navigating the Atlantic. Amidst the monotony, culinary specialists become the unsung heroes, transforming the submarine's mess into a haven of delicious escape. Navy Senior Chief Petty Officer Chris Petticourt and his team of 6 craft daily feasts, a testament to their artistry and dedication. In the depths, they create everything from scratch that tantalize the crew of 135 submariners. Amid the expansive waters off Newfoundland and Labrador lies Hebron, one of the world's largest offshore oil platforms. With a plethora of diverse oil rig jobs,
All right, I'm going for lunch.
a glimpse into the unique culinary world where hearty meals fuel the relentless activities of those working in this remote offshore environment. Immerse yourself in life aboard CNOOC International's Golden Eagle platform. From precision operations to communal living, sailors experience the intricacies of daily life on this offshore platform. As sailors navigate the challenges that forge a strong camaraderie among the crew, the only thing they know for certain is simple: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Similar to the cooks on aircraft carriers, chefs on the Disney Cruise Line also work in a military fashion. This is where the kitchen transforms into a realm of magic and innovation. In a hyper-militant fashion, witness the artistry of chefs who craft enchanting dining experiences on the high seas. As an industry leader, Disney Cruise Line offers culinary enthusiasts competitive benefits and a chance to traverse the globe. Set out on a culinary odyssey with Disney Cruise Line, where kitchens become realms of magic and innovation. From quick service delights to exquisite fine dining, the ship's kitchens cater to a diverse array of tastes, ensuring every palate is treated to a memorable journey. From festive moments on the USS Harry S. Truman to resupply missions on the USS George Washington, each snapshot reveals the unwavering commitment of those who serve. Whether in the confined spaces of a submarine or the expansive decks of an aircraft carrier, each tale unveils the extraordinary lives led by those who navigate the seas. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.